Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of my massive epic tool haul. This is the Craftsman Master Thread Restorer Kit. This, I don't know who manufactures this, but it is made in the USA, distributed by Sears. It is sold by Snap-on, I believe, as well as Mac Tools. And so this isn't a tap and die set. What this is useful for is if you've got to screw a fastener or bolt with some corrosion, you can just run it through these little fixtures and it will clean off the threads. You know, if the threads are kind of marred, will rejuvenate them. Put it to you that way. So it's not going to cut new ones. And if you got a bolt hole, same deal. It'll clean up a lot of the corrosion and rust so that you can reuse it and not have to tap. And then it's got some thread files. So metric and standard. Okay, so we have the SOEXM710 10-piece metric flank drive plus combination wrench set. I've taken off the cellophane. Made in the USA. And any discoloration you're seeing is from condensation. They were outside. It's about 23 degrees outside right now. So I pulled them in. There's some condensation. So really nice. So that's the flank drive plus wrench set in metric. And of course here we have the 8-piece combination screwdriver set with the hard handles. I think there's already some marks on it and they're brand new. What is this? I literally took off the wrapping. What is that? Like they're dirty. Yeah. Now this is something most people pass over and won't get. It is an adjustable locking wrench set, and this is actually made in Spain. See if it's stamped anywhere. Nope. Made in Spain, yes. So these are actually made by a company called Baco, which I think Snap-on owns. They have some enamel painted grips, really comfortable. Lifetime warranty. And I was looking for some adjustable pliers. And of course, you can get like, you know, a set of 50 of them for 50 cents. It appears, you know, made in China. I like them. I like the way they're. So anyway, I was looking for a made in US pair. And it came down to this set or some protos, because there really aren't that many companies that manufacture these in the US anymore. And the Baco adjustable plier set is actually really nice. These are sold on on Amazon, and just one of them goes for about $35. So this entire set, after the student discount, was almost affordable. It was a little cheaper than the Proto pliers, so I went ahead and got these, and I really do like them. I mean, they are enameled, so it's not that cheap, chintzy so all right, finally, one last thing. And by the way, I have to say that Snap-on packs their boxes really well. I didn't get these from the truck guy because, well, he's not going to give me a discount. So, one final thing. Here we have the 4-piece striking pry bar set. I went ahead and picked these up at Neon Green. Now I don't know if these are actually made by Snap-on or if they're made under contract by Mayhew, but yeah, I mean, half off, these tools are almost affordable, and I've been going a little crazy. Let's see. I think that's it for this week. There's only a few more things that I want to purchase, and then I'm going to be done forever, or until the next sale, I guess, at the local tool shop. But